Are you spending money on video ads and there is no conversion? I got you back. In 2025, we have like a rise of video marketing and video advertising for the Australian businesses, and few are still making the same mistake, and that's killed their ROI. So let's break down 3 common mistakes together, and we will see how we can fix this. And so your ads can make money after that. Mistake number 1, focusing on view instead than focusing on engagement. Let's break down together. So there is too many brands judge success by the numbers of view. I spoke about that in my precedent video. It's not the most important, especially at the beginning. But what really matters is engagement. 1 million views mean nothing, and if nobody take action. View don't pay your bills. Engagement and conversion do. So why this happen? Your hook. Alright, maybe it's weak. Most people skip ads within that 5 seconds. So your hook is weak and they are going away. There is no emotional connection. Ads or video that feel too salesy don't work anymore. Okay, be authentic, and people want value, entertainment or education. Sometimes people forget the CTA, the call to action. So many ads save the call to action for the last 5 seconds, but what if most people never get there? And your funnel. We can talk about that in the next video, but it's very important to understand your funnel. So how to fix it? Hook viewer in the first 3-5 seconds with a bold statement, question or pattern interrupt. It could be visual, it could be with the sound. It's better it's visual. Sometimes you can make a hook is everything. Visual, sound, big title, music, voiceover, like something that catch the attention of the viewers. Second point to fix the emotional connection. Use storytelling. People remember stories, not the sales pitch. And people remember the people. Okay? Don't forget, when people want to buy something, they are not buying on your product or services. They are buying, it's human working with human. Alright? It's a human being wants to buy something to a human being. The connection is human first. It's not human to product. It's not human to services. You are booking maybe your mentoring because it's with her or him, not because it's the mentoring. It's because you have a trust. It's because the other one build authority, expertise. So yes, you trust to take action. All right. So human work with human. And about the CTA, include multiple CTA through the video. All right. Don't wait the last 5 seconds. You can include different call to action. All right. Or different. There is other way also to keep retention on the video. But about the CTA, don't forget, is very, very important. So it could be with the sentences like only 5 spots left, you know, like that's create a little bit of FOMO also. But don't forget to be authentic, guys. Don't do that sometimes just because you want to do, because people tell you, I have to do it. It's on the pattern, on the template. Nah, do how you feel it, but there is other way to create call to action. But I still really believe in the authenticity. Mistake number 2, creating a video that fits everywhere. That means you are doing just one size. An ad that works on YouTube won't work on the same way on TikTok or Instagram Reel. Each platform have different user and different behavior. And if you are not optimizing, you are wasting money. Okay, so why this happen? YouTube loves longer ads, while TikTok needs short and fast content. Ignoring sound preferences. Did you know that 85% of the social media videos are watched without sound? Yes. Just have a look in the PT, in the public transport, what's happening. Sometimes people doesn't have headphone, but they are scrolling, they are watching. That's why subtitle in your video. I know sometimes it's like too much on the screen and you feel like it's not very beautiful when you are creating a beautiful content. But that's important because everyone not listening with the sound. So if you are the video and someone in the, I don't know, I would say in the trend, is scrolling, he don't have any headphone, if he cannot hear anything, he scroll. But if you have subtitle, maybe we'll just have a look and read. You know what I mean? So how you can fix it? Optimize your video ads for the platform. YouTube's love longer storytelling. I spoke about that in my video about YouTube ads. While TikTok and Instagram need short, high energy content. Use subtitle because most people scroll with sound off, and test different format. When you are using Facebook Meta Business, you can choose, all right? So think, check before, okay? But think every time when you are making a video for example, in YouTube, you will film in landscape. But when you want to make an ads for Instagram, for Facebook Meta, you will film in portrait. The way you have to edit, you have to keep the 9:16 format, but you have to do 1:1 also. Because when you are using Facebook Meta, you will see like you can choose for this advertising on the reel, on the story, it will be the 9:16. And when it will be the feed, especially for Facebook, they will have the square version, okay? So it's very important to think about that from the beginning, and that's mean when you are editing your own ads or your own video, and you want to boost or you want to advertise, edit in two ways. Edit one version in 9:16, edit another one in 1:1, like the square version. Small golden nugget, when we spoke about YouTube algorithm favor ads that keep the people watching longer. So it's not just about the hook of during the 3 or 5 seconds. The algorithm will push ads who keep the retention of people. They are not skipping, especially on the TV. You know that if you increase the watch time and people engage longer, your cost per view goes down. This is like the way of YouTube are working. Mistake number 3. Not checking your data and not doing any A/B testing. When you launch an ad, it's good to have a strategy from the beginning. I already spoke about that. It's also very important to understand what you are doing and not, I know so much people, they are making ads, boosting on Reel or just on Facebook Meta Suite. I know it can be overwhelming. I totally get it, but you can be familiar with pretty quickly, trust me. But some of them just making ads, they say, oh, I will boost that and I will see. Today we are not, I not recommend to do that. I really recommend to just sit first, write what you want to do. Check my first video about how to write and to make a high performing video ads in 2025, because I giving my template. So understanding your avatar customer, how you can talk to them, which support you are targeting, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, crafting the right messages, all right? I have few videos like that, so I really recommend you to watch them if you want. Me or other guys, honestly, it's not the point. But what I mean is like, think about this strategy and think about what you want to do before doing it. No one wants to waste ad spend. So they set it and forget it instead of optimizing. You have a lot of tools today with AI or not, but on Google, you have recommendation. On Facebook, they give you recommendation. They give you the tools, okay? When you are beginner, they help you to make your ads. They give you this recommendation, how you can make something better. You have all the information. I'm going out now. Also, not understanding the drop-off rates. Do you know at what second people watch your ad, at what time they are going out? You have so much statistic. Just on Instagram, if you boost, have a look. When you just boost a reel on Instagram, you can have access to all the statistic, like the retention after 3 seconds, how many people swipe, scroll something else. You have all the information. Very, very, very important to have a look. That's why when I'm making ads, I'm every time creating different creative with different hook and different call to action. Because sometimes the message is very good, okay, but the call to action is not the best, or your hook is not the best. So you can change. You take the hook from your creative number 4 because you realize this one is performing. You put it with the message number 1, and you take the call to action from your video number 6, and you put it there. And you can try and test again until you find the perfect combination with your ads that perform. And for sure, that takes a little bit of time, but it's part of the game. And also, renew. Don't assume that your ads will work forever. Consumer behavior change, and so ad has to follow the trend, has to follow the needs. You get it. So what I recommend is like running A/B tests with different hooks, CTA, and video length. Analyzing watch time and drop-off rates. See where people stop watching and improve that section. And use retargeting. People need to see your ad multiple times before converting. Don't expect that someone see your ads one time that he will buy your product or buy your services. No. There is like so much thing happen. I spoke about that also on my video about the video ecosystem. When you are making ads, I will not go deeper on this topic, but when you are making ads, people are looking more about yourself. So that's why this is where your organic content play a big game. All right, it's a game changer because they see your ads, they are going on your Instagram, you have information, you have value, they know who you are, you can build connection. They are going on YouTube, boom, they found you again on YouTube. You give like a lot of value, your process, you build trust, authenticity, authority. They are going maybe on LinkedIn, they are seeing you there, you have a lot of different connection, you are active, you are posting very important information about your business, your process, you are posting video. So that means like they from cold lead on your ads, they become a warm lead because they are so much information about who you are, your services, your process, that when they are booking a call, they are already warm. But I will not go deeper on this topic now. So if you fix these mistakes, you will see your conversion, your stat increase in a positive way. Maybe you will reach more people for the same amount of ad spend, or maybe you will see more conversion, maybe you will see more click, your cost per click will drop down. There is a lot of different possibility, but you will see that will go in the right way, what you are looking for. Okay, so if you want to talk about ads, video, you have question, something you don't understand about your conversion, your KPI on Facebook MetaSuite, your video are not converting as you want, or you are looking for video strategy, you don't know how to script a video. I have few videos already on YouTube about this topic, but you can book a free call with me. It's totally free. I will not try to sell you anything during the call. It's very, very important, guys, that you understand. I will not be the guy salesy like, okay, before we are starting, I just want to give you more offer. Nah, I'm not doing that, okay? So you can book a free call. We can just talk about that, and there is no pressure. You can just book, we talk, and maybe that's it. And I will be happy. If I help you, I'm happy. Thank you, guys, and I will see you soon.